Today, we are going to put together the pieces for our midnight owl. I'm going to start by writing my name on the back of my black paper. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to get my paper weaving, and I'm going to use my pair of scissors to carefully cut a curve on one side of the paper, probably about the height of 2 rows of weaving. I'm going to use my scissors and curve my line to the top middle and then curve it back down again on the other side to create a nice rounded end to my piece of paper. This is going to be the body for the owl. I am going to take my paper and I am now going to glue it onto the black paper. Flip it over and make sure you put little dots of glue around the outside and inside of your paper weaving. You want to make sure that when you glue it down, it is placed towards the middle of your paper and it is slightly turned to the side on an angle. I am going to use my pencil to draw a curve for the shape of the wing. The wing should be a slight spaghetti string curve, just like that. A nice curve that goes to the edge of the paper on both sides. Make sure it curves and touches the edge of the paper. I am now going to get my painting, and very carefully I'm going to tear long ways my paper. Once you have torn those pieces, you are going to tear those other pieces one at a time, so you have little strips of paper. These are going to become the feathers and the wings for the owl. Take your time and tear carefully. Do both sides of the paper. Hold on to your pieces. You're going to need them for the wings. That looks good. Keep going. Now I'm going to put glue on each piece of paper and glue it down onto my paper. Make sure it sticks. Sometimes the paper likes to curl up, so make sure you're pressing it all the way down and holding. Count to 30 if you need to. Press and hold the paper. You're going to try to make sure that you follow that curve so it looks like the wings are curving. Glue the paper very carefully. Now you're going to do the same on the other side. It's okay if that last one sticks off the edge. Once you are done, go back and check to make sure no spots are sticking up. Put a little more glue where you need it to go. Once you are done, make sure you clean up all your materials, put all your art supplies away, and you are finished with today's part of the project.